Can you paint us a little bit about the picture of what is their world currently looks like now, and what does it look like after they've implemented your product? What's the difference really?
So the difference is, if you look at the world today, let's look at healthcare. So let's say I'm a custodian at a hospital, and I mean there are clinical trials running in my hospital, and also research running for particular diseases. And so I, as a custodian, am in charge of collecting that data. So I have this data collected in a central place, but then it's a question what to do with this data beyond the clinical trial or the initial research that was done. And let's say a pharma company comes and says, yeah, we would like to use this data for our research. And I mean, that means that I, as the custodian of this hospital, have to think about, okay, like what do I want to allow? What implications does this have? Like what even do they want to run with that? How will they use this? And then also on the technical side, where will they even run this? How will they give me the computation that I should run? How will they get the results? And the current world for this is very manual. I mean, people are sending around scripts via email, and this is then manually executed, and then results are returned. But and this is a very frictionful environment, because I mean you have manual processes, many things you have to manually clarify, and this is where we come in and have standardized this with our product, because our product is then what we call the Apheris Compute Gateway is deployed at the hospital, and it allows for computations to run on that hospital environment. So it's a standardized piece that allows for controlling what computations come in, and the custodian can then control what happens on their data, and also choose what computations to allow, whom to allow it to, and therefore be fully in charge. And then this is coupled with AI models that have been vetted and reviewed and also assessed by us. So we provide AI models that come with a card of information saying, okay, these are the privacy implications or the security implications of this. This is what you should think about when you run this model. And this is then a help to the custodian to reason about this, like what they should do here, how they want to allow it and not. And so we take care of this part, of the computational governance part, and then also of the whole setup and mechanics of now running this computation, returning the results, making sure everything is traceable, that auditability is ensured, and that's the product value that we bring in here. So overall, with that, we're making such collaborations between pharma and hospital, or also in other industries. I mean, you have similar patterns in other industries. Much easier because we provide standardized approaches and a standardized product that can solve this.